In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Word Print not working on Windows 10. This is a very common issue that can happen when your printer settings are incorrect, your printer is offline, or Windows is having trouble communicating with the printer properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it quickly without needing any technical experience. So if you're trying to print a Word document and nothing happens, or Word freezes when printing, follow along with these steps. First, make sure your printer is turned on and properly connected to your computer. If you're using a USB printer, check that the cable is firmly plugged in. If you're using a wireless printer, confirm that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Next, restart your printer. Turn it completely off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple step often clears temporary printing errors. After that, restart your computer. A quick restart can refresh your printer connection and clear any background processes that may be interfering with printing. Once your computer is back on, open your Word document again and click File, then select Print. Make sure the correct printer is selected at the top. Sometimes Word tries to print to a different printer or to a virtual printer like Microsoft Print to PDF, which can cause confusion. Now, if the printer is selected correctly but it still won't print, go to the Windows search bar and type Printers and Scanners, then open it. Find your printer in the list and click on it. Select Open Queue and check if there are any stuck print jobs. If you see documents waiting or showing an error, cancel them to clear the queue. Next, go back to the Printer Settings window, click Manage, and select Set as Default. Setting your printer as the default can solve issues where Word doesn't know which printer to use. If printing still fails, return to Printers and Scanners, select your printer again, and choose Remove Device. After removing it, click Add a printer or scanner and reinstall the printer fresh. This can fix corrupted printer settings. Another helpful step is to update your printer driver. Outdated drivers can cause Word printing errors, especially after Windows updates. You can usually update the driver through Windows Update or by downloading the latest version from the printer manufacturer's official website. Finally, try printing a different document or printing from another program like Notepad or a web browser. This helps confirm whether the issue is only in Microsoft Word or with the printer itself. And that's how you can fix Microsoft Word Print not working on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.